Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you how to use free internet by using VPN. You can see I also used 2 GB today. I am using Airtel SIM. So first I am turning on the data and going to YouTube. You can see data is not working. I will show you how VPN works, and I also tell VPN name. Before that, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and support me to reach 100K. Thank you. The VPN name is Thunder VPN. Go to the app and click on Connect. Then go to YouTube. You can see it's working. You can also try this. If this works, don't forget to subscribe my channel.
Jimmy on the beat, boy.
Hey.